Here I have my old key, and the buttons are really badly worn and hard to get to operate a lot of the times. You'll spend a lot of time pressing it and try and get it to do something. So I'm going to change the circuit board out of this key into a new blank key. You can see the difference in the buttons there. So we want to take the electronics out of the old one and put it into the new one. So you have to take off this cover, and it flies away, and then remove these two screws. Pretty tight. Like that. Yeah, and there we have the inside. And just carefully lever that out. And we also need this here. Should try to get out without damaging. And when I have this out, I also want to change the battery in here. Just put in the new one. You shouldn't leave the battery out for too long or it'll lose its programming. So I think you have 30 seconds to do that. So that's that changed. And here we have the new key. And it looks a bit different in there. The place for holding this little chap is different. Maybe you'll just leave that till we get the rest in. There also came new cover. For the circuit board, so might as well change that. Yeah. It sits on there, a little hole over that soldered pole on the circuit board. Yeah, it seems to just push over enough to fit in. I might actually try it the other way around as it's tapered on one side. Not a big difference. in again. And the new back. And the new screws. It seems to be working, as I can hear clicking outside in the car. And a new cover for the back. That's that in. So all I have to do now is take it to the locksmith and get them to copy the key, and that'll be, you can keep this as a spare in emergency, as I only had this one key, which isn't a safe thing, so this will now be a spare.